Hello everyone, let's learn how to delete TikTok account permanently. I will show you all process how delete account is, so just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. First, open your TikTok app. Then go on this profile icon in bottom right corner. Then tap on this 3 lines. Now go on settings and privacy. Next steps is to click on account. Then go on deactivate or delete account. The first options is to deactivate account. This option used for if you want to go on pause with TikTok. If you don't know what decision to make, it always better to deactivate your account, and you can recover account on any time. The second option is to delete your account. This option used for if you want to stop watching TikTok and if you don't want to have TikTok. Also, you can change your mind and you can recover your account, just you have 30 days to make decision. Then tap on delete account permanently. Now select a reason why you leaving. You can select any reason. Then continue. Now tap on this to select this option, and go on continue. And again continue. Now go to verify your account, just tap on this. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for new one. Goodbye.